In this video, we will review Kalshi. Kalshi is a regulated, event-based trading platform that allows users to speculate on real-world outcomes, such as inflation rates, political elections, economic data releases, with simple yes or no answers. The regulatory oversight is credibility and legitimacy to the platform, setting it apart from unregulated prediction markets. Kalshi's user-friendly interface makes it accessible for many beginners, and its educational resources help identify the mechanics of event trading. The platform offers a diverse range of markets, allowing traders to focus on areas where they have more insight than the average person, such as politics, economics, or climate data. This is a unique trading model that appeals to users to apply analytical thinking to the news and current events in a way that's both engaging and financially incentive. However, despite its innovative concept, Kalshi does come with some notable drawbacks. Several users have reported delays in fund withdrawals, challenges with customer support responsiveness, and can raise concerns about reliability and even user experience. Additionally, Kalshi requires sensitive personal information, such as your social security number or even your identification, during the regulatory compliance. Some users may be uneasy about giving so much privacy and data to this company. There is also an inherent risk of market manipulation or thin liquid, particularly in less active markets where pricing can be skewed by a few larger trades. Finally, event trading is speculative by nature, and users unfamiliar with probabilities can lose a lot of money and misunderstand the risk, leading to potential losses.